Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TurboTax homepage. Look for the sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter the email address linked to your TurboTax account in the first text box. In the next field, type in your secure password. Double-check your email and password for any typos. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter your email address again to receive password reset instructions. Check your email for a message from TurboTax. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Return to the login page once your password has been reset. Enter your email and new password again. Click the Sign In button. You should now be logged into your TurboTax account. If you have two-factor authentication set up, check your phone for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field. Click Submit to complete the login process. Explore your TurboTax dashboard for your tax information and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.